Welcome back, guys, to the part 2 series of the daily news analysis. So, next hit list topic in today's editorial was regarding PMUY. What is PMUY? Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Let's look in detail what the scheme is all about. See, it's a government scheme launched in the year 2016 by our Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So, what was the vision about this particular scheme? It involved the distribution of 50 million LPG connections to women below the poverty line. But later, it aimed to provide LPG connections to 8 crore women by March 2020. But in the year September 2019, the target was achieved 7 months before itself. Now, these were some of the basic details. The ministry which is handling this is Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas. And some of the oil companies are participants of this particular Yojana. They are IOCL, BPCL and HPCL. Let's look into detail some of the benefits of the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. Some of the major benefits involve financial support of rupees 1600 is provided by the scheme for each LPG connection for BPL households. It provides 5 crore LPG connections to families below the poverty line. Then under the scheme, oil marketing companies also provide interest-free loans for refilling and purchasing stoves. Then the benefits of the scheme are also available for the people of all hilly states, including the northeast states, which is termed as the priority states. Then because of the launching of this particular scheme, it has addressed several difficulties faced by the people in the states of Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Assam, Jammu and Kashmir, etc. Now, what was the need of this particular Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? Have you ever thought of it? See, the scenario before launching this thing, the unclean cooking fuel causes deaths which are mostly due to non-communicable diseases including heart disease, stroke, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, lung cancer, etc. So, when we provide LPG connections to families below the poverty line, it ensures universal coverage of cooking gas in the country, and health-wise also, they are positively getting benefited out of this. And apart from this, another highlight which I noticed out of the scheme is this scheme can act as an effective tool for women empowerment, in that the LPG connections and clean cooking fuel can reduce cooking time and effort. That is other advantage. And in most of India, cooking is responsibility shouldered solely by the women. The scheme also employs rural youth in the supply chain of cooking gas. Okay, so these are the thriving forces behind due to which this scheme was launched. Now let's look in detail the objectives of Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana. First one I already mentioned. Some of the points are overlapping. Like in this objective also comes to empower women and protect their health. Second one, of course, to minimize health issues. Then to control indoor pollution from the use of fossil fuel, thereby maintaining the ecological purity, and also these are the things. Then what is the eligibility criteria for an applicant to apply for this Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana? First one, the applicant must be a woman aged above 18 years. She should be a citizen of India as well. Then most important, she should belong to a family below the poverty line. Then the overall monthly income of the family should not exceed the limit that is prescribed by the UT or state governments. Then the applicant's name should be in the list of SCCC 2011 and should also match with the information provided in the BPL database of the oil marketing companies. Then applicants should not be registered under any other similar scheme provided by the government. Then apart from all these things, as you might be knowing, the applicant should submit the set of documents which proves her BPL status, identity, etc. So that is regarding the eligibility criteria. Okay. So that's all regarding this particular topic. Now I would like to add on certain points regarding Ujjwala 2.0 or 2.0. That is also important. See, recently it was in news because the Prime Minister launched the second phase of the Pradhan Mantri Ujjwala Yojana or Ujjwala 2.0 or your 2.0 scheme. In this particular thing, he mentioned plans to promote Gobar Dhan, that is utilizing cow dung for energy, which he declared on the occasion of World Biofuel Day, which was in 10th August. Now, Ujjwala is a part of the plan for behavioral change that will help India transit to a $5 trillion economy by 2024. Now, regarding this Ujjwala Phase 2, 2.0, I will tell some things. See, About phase 1, I mentioned just a few minutes before, it was launched in May 2016 to provide LPG or liquefied petroleum gas connections to poor households. Now, PMUY 2, phase 2 or 2.0, what it is aimed about? It is aimed to provide maximum benefit to the migrants who live in other states and find it difficult to submit address proof. Now, they will only have to give self-declaration to avail the benefit. That's the major highlight of this particular phase 2. Objectives, some of them are similar, like empowering women and protecting their health, reducing the number of deaths in India which happens due to unclean cooking fuel, then preventing young children from a significant number of acute respiratory illnesses due to indoor air pollution due to the burning of fossil fuel. Then features of this Ujjwala 2.0, the scheme provides a financial support of Rs 1,600 for each LPG connection to the BPL household. Along with a deposit-free LPG connection, Ujjwala 2.0 will provide the first refill and a hot plate free of cost to the beneficiaries. Then the target. Under Ujjwala 2.0 or 2.0, an additional 10 million LPG connections will be provided for the beneficiaries. Now, government has also fixed a target of providing piped gas to 21 lakh homes in 50 districts. But if you remember, I am comparing the other one. Under Ujjwala 1 or phase 1, the target was to provide LPG connections to 50 million women, and that too from the below poverty line households. However, in August 2018, women from 7 other categories were brought under the purview of the scheme. SC or ST, those under the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, beneficiaries of the Antyodaya Anna Yojana, forest dwellers, most backward classes, tea gardens and islands. The nodal ministry, I told you, it's Ministry of Petroleum and Natural Gas or MOPNG. What are the achievements of this Ujjwala 2.0? In the first phase of PMUY, 8 crore poor families, including from the Dalit and tribal communities, were given free cooking gas connections. LPG infrastructure was expanded manifold in the country. Okay, as a part of this, the last 6 years, more than 11,000 new LPG distribution centers have opened across the country. Now, what are the challenges for this particular Yojana or this particular thing? See, first one, system anomaly. See, there are deficiencies such as the issuance of connections to unintended beneficiaries and problems with the software of the state-run oil marketing companies for identifying intended beneficiaries and inadequacies in the deduplication process. Second one, low consumption of refills. See, the encouraging the sustained use of LPG remains a big challenge, and low consumption of refills hindered recovery of outstanding loans disbursed under the scheme. You might be wondering that the annual average refill consumption on 31st December 2018 was only 3.21. Now, what do you think are the suggestions we can put forward so that we can increase the efficiency of this particular scheme? First one is entering Aadhaar numbers of all adult family members of existing as well as new beneficiaries to make deduplication effective and to restrict issuance to ineligible beneficiaries. Second one, the scheme should be extended to poor households in urban and semi-urban slum areas as well. Third one, there is a need for achieving a higher LPG coverage of the population by providing connections to households that do not have LPG. So, these are regarding the things which were mentioned in today's article. Based on that, this PMUY is important, and I gave you extra knowledge about Ujjwala 2.0, that is the phase 2 of that particular scheme. So, that's all for today. Hope the session was interesting for all of you. Thanks for watching my video session. Please do like, share and hit the bell button if you love my sessions, so that I will get motivated to do more of such series. So, stay safe, take care, bye and good night.